All right, it's Wednesday, June 18th, just following up on the SPY. I described how I bought some puts here after the Fed announcement, expecting us to test lower. We did that. I scaled outside of an hour's trade, and now this big green bar, after taking out this liquidity, this obvious gap in here, the intraday lows and the big green, reversal, that's enough for me to just exit the trade and continue to watch and see what happens and see how the day ends up. So again, I bought the 605 puts at 997, scaled that at 11, and just exited the rest of the trade at 1043. Overall, small gain, and that's fine. This is an interesting, setup on the daily chart here where we took out the low of the previous day with the red bar. But if we don't, in compound fashion, get to this, low of this bar here towards the end of last week, then this sets up actually a nice buy signal going into the next day of trading if we can get a 2-up day. So I kind of know that we're just consolidating in here. This push down, I kind of expected it, but I also know that if we can't continue and after 1, 2, and maybe another third day down here, then that sets up really a nice buy signal developing. So a lot's going to be dependent on where price action leads us. For now, this is enough of a green bounce out of liquidity that I just I'm comfortable just kind of being out of the trade and seeing how the daily bar ends up. Even if we head lower, that's fine. It's just a little choppy and tricky to kind of judge what's happening. You can see the big trading range in here in an overall uptrend, not breaking down like you'd really like to see it. So I'm comfortable just exiting the trade and, then watching price action in the days ahead for other opportunities.